We are at Dunn's River Falls today. Yes, that's right. Me and you are gonna climb the falls. I am here by myself, right? So I will be climbing the falls solo today. No man. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm on the falls. I'm on the first, like, there at the beginning of the falls, on top. So I am, the group is in front of me, right? The advantage to walking behind the group, you get help to go up the falls. The disadvantage is they take really long. I've been here for about, I want to say 5 minutes or so, and they've been taking photos, which understandably so. They're tourists. It's a tourist group. They're here in Jamaica to snap their pics. So they all took photos right there, right? So I might go ahead of them because I want to walk the falls. I don't want to stop and take pictures every minute. All right? All right, me see them walk over there. So me always walk here, so but me go walk there so this time. Wow, I made it! That was scary, but I made it. Wow! Wow! Me say if me ever tell no how long it take me to reach to this point. Watch out, this is the first entrance point, right? If me ever tell you know how long it took me to get here, it's embarrassing. But me chicken out. I got so scared at one point. You know the feeling of when you're on heights and you look down? It's similar to that, right? I just saw the water coming towards me, coming towards me, coming towards me. I mean, I said, no man, this I go wash me off by falls. Me I go get washed off of them rock stone and drop boof like, my mind just, and I was paralyzed until I saw this guy. He was in his regular clothes. The man in our water shoes, one black pants and one white shirt with a drink in his hand, climbing the falls. So, what me do? Me just go, follow exactly what he do. Me see him just zoop, zoop, zoop. So me say, alright, me go zoop, zoop too. And I suck up me reach up here, so. So me did some when I go leave the group behind. Lo and behold, they left me behind. Now, me go try down, you know, I'm going to finish the falls. But it's so intimidating when you're doing it by yourself. But of course, me go overcome. Of course, me go do it. Of course, I will complete the falls. Alright, let's go. Okay, that was the hard part. That was the hard part. come, man. May I come. Thank
For the
you.
record, my name is Such Good.
Nice. Whoa. Hold on, Fanny. Oh, alright, wait, let me take off this. So here.
Slide out. Slide out. Slide out. Good job.
Around the tree.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. So slippery. Alright. May I tread onwards, you know. Alright, thank you, sir. Alright, so I got somebody to take my photo. So okay, so we're going, all the groups have left, so I'm on my own. I'm on my own doing this part. I'm a bit intimidated, but guess what? There's been nothing I've attempted and not accomplished. So we're doing it. We are doing it. Alright. Oh, we're not done? You know, me really think that we did done though. I'm on the top. I'm on the top. Woo! Wow, wow, wee, wah. I'm here. We're almost there. The end is not very far away. Yeah, so slippery, you know. I don't want to walk this. Wait, which one may I walk? Look here, all the gali in the palm falls, the climb falls, you know. Watch them. See all of the, that's a nice place to take pictures. Wow, slippery, 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 slippery. Woo! Wow, 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 wee, wow. Oh my goodness, this is the best part. Oh! Oh! Deep tissue massage. Oh, that's a go on. Yeah, man. Wow. What an experience. Today. Are you guys enjoying it so far? Listen, if you're enjoying the video so far, you can like it. If you like it, hit the like button. And if you think me deserve a subscribe, you can hit the subscribe button too. Thank you. Congratulations. Wow, wow, we were. I made it. I did it. We made it to the top. We did it, friends. We did it. We did it. We did it. We made it to the top of Dunn's River Falls. Yeah, we did that. We did it. We'll make it, people. We'll make it. So after coming out of the water, you can either grab yourself a bite, grab yourself ice cream, get your photos if you were one of the persons who took photos. So they have the place where you can get your pictures, get your videos. Right here's your logo store to get your Dunn's River Falls memorabilia here. Then you can grab yourself something to eat, something to drink. Have a few cafes here. You have Dunn's River, Devon House ice cream. And then you have the splash park over there for the kids. Yeah man, restrooms back there. It's a nice little place. You can walk around over there. So you have, I think that's where they start the zip lines over this one. Frosty Beans Cafe. Okay, so that's cute. It's a cute look. That's cute. Okay. Hummingbird Hideaway. I guess you can go over there to chill. So for those who've never been to Dunn's River, this is what it's like. You have a craft market over there. That's a craft area. You can go purchase your crafts. No thank you. So you hear that you can get your water shoes, you can get Jamaican souvenirs, all that good stuff. Market falls straight ahead. There's a garden here, gift shop, one next garden there. Wait, hold on, there are two gardens. Okay, you can rent a locker, changing rooms, toilet, nursing station. But I came prepared, right? So I will not be renting a locker today. I'm just here with my one single backpack, my waterproof backpack, and we're going up the falls. There's also free Wi-Fi. So if you're coming in from abroad, you know, you don't have no service, there's free Wi-Fi here. They're Essential Gardens. Okay, this is new. I don't remember seeing this. Frosty Beans Cafe. You can get Devon House ice cream. Okay, there's a kiddies water park here. Zip lining over the falls. I've never had that experience. I'm looking forward to that experience. But not do that today though. There was a banyan tree here for years upon years upon years, a big old tree. Oh, what's here? Wow, I've been here so many times and I'm just discovering all of these spots. Either them new or I just never noticed them. Banyan tree deck. No diving. Slippery when wet. Watch your step. Please hold on to handrails. Okay, so you have various entry points and exit points along the falls. So if you decide, say, alright, we can't manage the entire falls, you can always come out at the entry point. Or if you don't want to start from the beginning, you can always start at one of these entry/exit points. Enough people there. And that's the road right there. So we're at the bottom, we're at the foot of the falls. So this is where the falls meet the sea, the beautiful Caribbean Sea. Oh wow, oh, it's so warm here. Wow, it feels good. The sand is so soft. You see how far out I can go? I hope you're seeing me. Do you see how far? And I can go even further out. Wow, the sea, oh my gosh, it feels so good. Oh wow. And the sea water pretty. Look how blue this is. Oh my god. Hey, you have to stay alert when you're in the water. But look, oh, the water nice and blue. I'm pretty. Alright, here what now? So when you're done, do your whole shebang, climb the falls and all of that, you can either get something to eat or go chill down at the beach or walk around. But I'm thinking about something. I'm thinking about going to Little Dunn's River. Do you think I should go?